It's us two again, Kelsey and Wyatt. Okay.
Well, you got a problem with me?
Well, just shut up. Okay. So we are going to do another burping video. Okay. We are at my uncle's and fudge, but whatever he is to you.
I don't know what he is to me. So
He's my uncle. Okay?
we're calling him Tom.
So, yeah, we call him Tom. Okay. And
Oh, dude.
shut up.
She spilled it.
Shut up.
She spilled it. She's
up.
crazy.
So we have Pepsi again, but it's caffeine free this time. Okay. So we might not burp that good.
We're going to get more burps than me. With caffeine. Beef. Tastes like tea.
It's going, ain't it?
I
Yeah.
think.
I think I scared him too.
So that was my uncle. Let's go out there. Quit being a freaking retard. What's going to burp or never?
Oh.
We're not going to burp on command this video. We will on next video though. Okay.
We want to make this video to all maybe 20 fans because we probably don't have that much. Hey, did you ever do those ones that we had?
Not yet.
Oh,
I will though. Wait, I did put one on there. I did put one on there. Guess how many views we got?
how many?
800. Got like 800.
Thank you, guys. You guys are sick. Not in the weird way.
Yeah, I just want to make this video to all of our awesome fans.
For
You
voting
guys
us.
are amazing. Okay. Now remember, this video, you guys can like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you guys did last video.
Next time we
Help
do.
us get to 1,000 this time, okay?
Yeah, because we're so close. Last video, she just told me we only need 200 more clips. Fans. Hey, next video we're gonna.
No, that
have...
was just views for that one. We're trying to get 1,000 views this video, okay?
Okay, just so you know,
We're
our
outside.
next video will be over there.
It will.
Yeah.
So we are outside this video. It's really windy. What's the date today? It's like February 11th.
8th to be exact, Kills.
That was the 11th.
That's not.
It's the 11th. Today our teacher told us that it was the 11th.
Oh crap. Oh yeah, just so you know, this is my new phone. I bought
It is a
my...
sucky phone.
Yeah, I bought it one from my grandma for $3. Cheap deal.
I wish it was an iPhone.
I do too.
Mine.
I hope one of my fans out there is named Danny Davis, because he's my friend and he's always on YouTube, and I hope he'll get this video.
My name's Kelsey and his is Wyatt, and we're just cool like that.
Yeah. So we'll see you next time. Okay, I'll see you next time because I'm out of here.
Bye. Say bye to our awesome fans.
See ya, fans.
Bye.